This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I love my balloon. I love my balloon. It's so pretty and it's mine, my lovely green balloon. Balloon, balloon, I'll catch you now. Balloon, balloon, balloon. Balloon, balloon, balloon.
In the office of the dentist.
Oh, Sammy.
Hey, what's wrong?
You've already listed each medical specialist separately. But okay, then it will be 48.
And here's another one for a cute dress-up.
Agreed. 49. Let's put down a cute old man.
What else? What else? Just one more way. Just one more way to use cotton and I'll have nailed it.
All right, Sammy, let's just say you did it.
No, Sue! I can't title my book 50 Ways to Use Miraculous Cotton and list only 49 of them.
Huh, I think I know one way to use miraculous cotton. In cooking.
Are you serious? Oh, I can't wait to see that.
Then what are you waiting for? Come on. Hi guys, as you might have already guessed, today we are going to make cotton candy.
How come I didn't think of that type of cotton in the first place? We should have used that cotton candy maker a long time ago, Sue.
Well, it's not me who always eats up all the sugar in our house.
True. I like my 5 o'clock tea with 8 spoonfuls at least. So, am I getting 8 portions of cotton candy?
Better, you're gonna get a multi-layered cotton candy cake.
Good macaroons! Sounds like a dream come true. Sue, what are you doing?
Well, do you want your cake to be colorful?
Sure!
And one way to do that is to color the sugar.
Ooh, sounds tasty. I'm ready, Sue.
Sammy, you're too ready. Don't add too much of the food coloring right away, guys.
Are you sure that just a few drops are enough, Sue?
Don't worry, Sammy. We can make it brighter later if needed. And now comes a really fun part. We're gonna just rub the plastic bag against the table. Or you can just rub it between your hands, this way, very thoroughly.
Shiver me cheddars, it really is green now, people.
Now that we're done with the first color, let's make some more.
I'm on it, Susie. Hey, where are the plastic bags? Found one. I must spill nothing. There we go.
Do you want to try that coloring technique, Sammy?
Are you kidding? I can't wait to do that.
All right, on your mark, get set, go. Guys, would you just look at this? The colors are amazing.
My yellow sugar turned out better than your purple, though.
Oh yeah? Then what would you say about these?
What? When did you... How come... Oh, whoa. Oh, I guess my head's spinning because of that colorful sweetness.
Guys, check this out. You can use your colored sugar in more than one way. It can become a cool decorative element as well. But you remember why we needed it in the first place, right? So stay tuned, guys.
Let's get to the cotton candy making. Woohoo!
Easy, Tiger.
Huh?
You have to be careful with an appliance like this. You see this funny thing in the middle? It's the heating element. Once we put sugar over here and turn it on,
It's gonna start melting sugar at about 190 degrees Celsius. Woo, that's hot.
that's right. So, you guys should be extremely careful or ask your parents to help. Here we go.
Hey, it's coming
Chill out, Sammy. I can see everything. This way. Just look at all those fluffy sugar threads.
Stop getting distracted, Susan. Just roll it up.
Ta-da! Well, Sammy, what do you say about our very first homemade cotton candy?
It looks like a sweet and fluffy cloud. Oh, I have to taste it.
What's there to taste? Sammy, stop that.
You could give me some. Ouch! This is the best day of my life. So beautiful. Oh, a unicorn. Wait, unicorns eat cotton candy? No!
Sammy, are you okay?
Yeah, totally. Don't tell Sue about that.
Let's proceed with the next color. Here we go. And start. I haven't heard from Sammy for a while now. I wonder what he's doing.
I'm here, Susie. Did you know that the very first cotton candy appeared back in the 15th century in Italia? The Venetians mastered that craftsmanship and made 1,286 items from cotton candy for one fancy royal party. But sugar was too expensive back then, and cotton candy was available only to rich people. Susan, what's taking you so long with that yellow?
Nothing. Please, tell me more about cotton candy.
Not until 1897 did a dentist and a confectioner create a miraculous cotton candy machine.
Here is the yellow one.
Susan, at this rate, we will never taste a cotton candy cake. Oh, maybe we will.
You're right. Let me speed up with the rest of the colors then. Here we go. Check this out, guys. Now we have everything to shape our cake.
Wait a second, Susie. We might need to make the green again. I couldn't resist.
Oh, Sammy. Guys, we'll be right back.
Oop. Susie, I brought what you asked for.
Thank you, Sammy. Guys, now we're gonna work quite fast, so watch closely. To make the first layer of our cake, we'll take the blue cotton candy and slide it right into this silicone mold, like this.
Oh, it's like a piece of cloud on the plate. Wow.
Next, we'll take another cotton candy and repeat the same procedure. Here we go. We need to do this with all the colors of cotton candy that we've made today.
Guys, work in gloves so that cotton candy doesn't melt from the heat of your hands.
And remember that you can use as many cotton candy layers as you want.
The more layers there are, the sweeter your cake will be.
Isn't that what we're going for? Okay, we're almost done here. You're about to see some real confectionery magic, people. Are you ready? Let's do this.
Shiver me cheddars, that was totally awesome, Susie. Ha.
Wait till you hear that there is more. Guys, try not to squeeze your cotton candy too tightly so that you can still take it out of the mold. Check out this rainbow beauty.
Susie, it looks so delicious. When will I taste it?
As soon as we decorate it. Actually, I have an idea. We will decorate each piece of our cake individually. Guys, always be careful with a knife. Or, better yet, ask an adult to help you at this stage.
Actually, you can ask your parents to join you for the decoration part as well. Check out what I've got here, Susie.
Cool. But this is not enough.
Sue, what did you do with my decor?
Now that's more like it. Just look at all this beauty, Sammy. Awesome, right?
Shiver me sprinkles, so many cool things.
This piece we'll decorate with marshmallows. And let this one be chocolatey. Here we go.
I want to make one look really magical. Now anyone who eats it can make a wish upon a star.
Oh, this looks like a whole party on a single cake. Willy Wonka style.
Why are you chilling out here? Move!
And last but not least, funny bubbles. Boop, boop, boop. Well, Sammy, are you happy with your cake?
Not quite yet. I think we could totally get wild, haha!
Sammy, that's a perfect idea. But we had better do this really fast. Vanilla, my favorite.
Let's take a glance at our cake before the ice cream melts. Or before I eat everything.
All right, Sammy, we've got cake, we've got tea. Oh, plates.
Please, Susan, who needs them? Oh, my precious come to Papa. It was the best idea ever to make this cake, Susie.
Guys, if you like cotton candy, you should definitely try to make this cake at home. You're gonna love it.
Thanks for being with us today. Oh, wait a second. That's better. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button.
Bye-bye, everyone. Sammy, aren't you going to write that book of yours about cotton?
Ah, forget it. I'm too full to work right now. Wait, there's some Nutella in the fridge. Bye, guys.
Are you all right?
No, my lovely fans, they always throw flowers at the end of every performance, but I am allergic. They make me...
Here we go.
Keep it away from me!
Oh, yeah, blow your
What are you
nose.
doing? No, you keep it! Help!
What's going on?
Help!
Ah, Sidarotti at last, and you came so fast.
And I'm leaving even faster. The performance is cancelled. There is no way I can sing on this stage. In fact, there is no way I can sing in this opera house. I quit.
What happened there? I was only trying to give him my hanky.
What are you doing? How could you? Take it away or I'll quit too.
What's going on? Why is everyone scared of my hanky? It's clean, I promise. Oh, hold on. I remembered you. That's it. The colour purple is considered bad luck by some opera singers. And my hanky is purple. No wonder Sidarotti didn't want to blow his nose in it. Mr. Conductor, I'm so sorry. I didn't realise my hanky would cause so much fuss.
That's all very well for you to say, but my top opera singer has just run away. The opera's off. It's all gone wrong. I'm going to quit forever. I'll even break my baton.
No, wait, don't do that. Maybe I can help. Oh, I know. I'll do it. I'll sing the opera for you. I did scare off Sidarotti after all.
Well, yes, that would be just a thing. But wait a moment. Can you actually sing?
Of course I can sing. Just listen to this.
What on earth do you call that?
I'm sorry. I thought it would sound better than that.
That wasn't opera. That was a yelp. If you want to perform tonight, you'll need some help.
Oh, dear. I thought I'd be able to sing much better than that. I am an opera singer after all. Oh, hold on. I remembered you. That's it. Opera singers need to warm up and sing scales before they perform.
To stop you being a screecher, you'll need a special teacher. Through there is your man. If he can't help you, no one can.
Fantastic. I'll see you later for the performance.
Let's play.
Who's this? Hello? Hello?
Welcome, welcome. I have been expecting you.
You have?
But of course, you are here to find your voice, and I know exactly where it is hiding.
Right.
Is it behind the door? No. Is it under the carpet? No. It is right here, inside you. And it is my job as a voice coach to let you help it. Come on.
Oh, so, how'd you do that?
With exercises, Rebecca, exercises. Repeat after me. Me, 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 me.
You.
No. Me, 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 me.
That's what I said. You.
No. Let's try a different way. You.
Me.
Beautiful. Now you've got it. Faster.
Me.
Perfect. Faster.
Me.
Wonderful. And relax. The performance is in safe hands. Now, where was I?
So, is there anything else I need to do, to warm up? Hello? Hello? What a strange man.
I heard that.
Let's play.
Well, what did he say? Are you going to save the day?
He said the performance was in safe hands.
That's fantastic news. Do you fancy a practice? We've got no time to lose. Stop! Oh my word, that's the worst opera singing I've ever heard.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. I did everything the voice coach taught me.
Well, if the music doesn't match your voice, we'll have to cancel the opera. We have no choice.
If only my voice wasn't so high. Oh, no, what are we going to do? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's it. Usually, male opera singers with a low voice sing bass, and female opera singers with a high voice sing soprano. Siderotti's a man, so he must be a bass, and I'm a lady, so I must be soprano. Siderotti's music was too low for my voice. I need a different piece of music.
You need a high song to sing. An aria called Brunhilde is just the thing.
Oh, Brunhilde, that sounds fun.
But before you perform, you'll need a Brunhilde costume. You'll find it in...
The dressing room?
Very good. Now, how did you know? Hurry up, it's time for the show.
Let's play.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Ah, hello there. Come on in. Come on over here. Nice to see you. Take a seat there. That's right. Lovely now. Cup of tea.
Really, there's no time.
Don't be daft. Now, what can I do for you?
Well, I'm due on stage any minute, and I need a costume.
Of course you do. Of course you do. Biscuit.
Really, there's no time.
Don't be daft. There's always time for a biscuit. Now, what part are you playing? Roman soldier, medieval knight, slice of cake.
Slice of cake? There's a slice of cake costume.
Don't be daft. I just wondered if you fancied one. There's always time for a slice of cake.
Look, really, I shouldn't. Oh, go on then. I'm going to be playing Brunhilde.
Oh, why didn't you say? I have just the costume. Ah,
Very impressive.
wait until you see the hat that goes with it. Where is it? Ah, there we are. Oh, my lucky stars.
What's the matter?
The Brunhilde hat. It's broken.
Oh, well, don't you have a spare?
You can't go performing in front of all those people with a broken costume. There's only one thing for it.
What?
Have a biscuit. There's always time for a biscuit.
Hold on. I know what we can use, do you? This cow horn. I knew it would come in handy.
Ah, let me see that. Thank you very much. There we are. Good as new. Or should I say, good as moo. You get it? Good as moo. Now go on. Get changed. Nice and quick.
Thank you.
Let's play.
Now, Rebecca, you truly look the part. So, if you're ready, we can make a start.
Wish me luck.
Now, where did I leave my fan mail? My word. That voice, that singing, almost as good as Siderotti.
I thought of well. That's my girl.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's play.
That was wonderful. It brought a tear to my eye. Music so beautiful, it made everyone cry. You are welcome back to sing opera anytime, Rebecca. Just leave your purple hanky at home.
I will. Oh, it's been such great fun. Thank you. Well, what an adventure that was. But we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. The colour purple is considered unlucky by some opera singers. Opera singers need to warm up their voices and sing scales before they perform. And usually male opera singers with low voices sing bass. And female opera singers with high voices sing soprano. I think it's time we went home.
So you're not staying for an encore, Rebecca?
No, I've got to go, but you go out there and bring the house down.
You know, I think I just will. Me, 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 me.
You. I mean, me.